Here I have a Realme phone and let me show you how to show current display refresh rate on your device. Let's begin. So you need to do it in two steps. The first one is to enable developer options and the second one is to enable refresh rate overlay. So let's start with the first one, of course. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings. From list of settings, let's select about phone. Here you need to choose version right here. Then let's tap build number a couple of times. I think you need to tap it 7 times and then you will have a developer options. In my case there is no need, I'm already a developer. So let's go back and now let's choose system and update. Here let's find and select developer options. Scroll down. And here you should find show refresh rate. So let's enable this feature, and as you can see in that corner there is a small number with the information about your refresh rate. It updates in real time, so if your phone dynamically switches refresh rate, you'll see the change. For example, when you open YouTube, you will see it's 60, when you go back it's 120. If you would like to disable the refresh rate, let's do it here. Developer options again, sorry. Scroll down to find it and let's disable this feature. So that's it, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.